A lot of people will appreciate someone who smells good. However, most perfumes out there contain alcohol. For some people, perfumes that contain alcohol can cause irritation, which makes it unpleasant for them to wear perfume. These irritations can be skin rashes or uncontrollable sneezing. However, it is entirely possible to be able to have a fragrance that does not have alcohol. That is where oil-based perfumes come in. Oil-based perfumes can be purely made from essential oils. It has recently gained popularity because it does not have the unwanted side effects of fragrances that contain alcohol. Essential oils also take the health benefit of their origin. They are as organic as one can get. This makes them a better alternative than alcohol. Oil-based perfume can sometimes be more expensive than an alcohol-based fragrance. However, you can actually make your own perfume with essential oils. With the power of DIY, you will be able to save a ton and smell unique while doing so. Also, by making your own perfume, you can customize it based on your preference. That said, here are easy steps on how to make perfume with essential oils without alcohol. Ingredients that you will need: 3 tablespoons of solvent, 10 drops of top notes essential oil, 10 drops of base note essential oil, 5 drops of middle note essential oil, 15 milliliters of jojoba or coconut oil. Materials to be used: ceramic pot, dropper, stirrer, spray bottle, or a rollerball jar. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Gather all your materials. For smooth and seamless work, prepare all the listed ingredients and materials beforehand. All these can be sourced in your local craft store. However, if these are not available, you can always order online. Still, if that option is not available or if you think the prices are too high, you can have to option to make your own essential oil. You can follow these steps to make it from scratch. Choose an herb, fruit, or flower such as mint, basil, or orange. Release the fragrance by pounding your choice of herb, fruit, or flower. Combine the pounded item with coconut oil. Store away from the sun for 24 hours. Separate the liquid by straining it. Repeat steps 1 and 2 and mix it with the juice from step 5. Let it sit for another 12 hours. You now have the essential oil that you can use in making perfume. 2. Choose your oils. There are so many essential oils out there, and the numbers can be confusing. To help you with that, we have categorized them into 4 groups according to their scents. They're as follows. Floral scents. If you like smelling like fresh flowers, then floral scents are for you. You can achieve this scent by mixing lavender, bergamot, and lilac oils, or by merely using one strong smell such as rose oil. Citrus scent. The citrus scents are perfect for those who want an increase in energy. To achieve this scent, you can use lemon and ginger, orange and cardamom, and lime. However, always keep in mind that these are strong scents. Always take a sniff after a few drops to avoid adding too much. Remember that adding is so much easier deducting in liquid formulas. Herbal scent. For a calming effect, herbal scents are the best. Mint, rosemary, bergamot, and sage are some of the well-known ones. They also have other health benefits such as soothing skin irritation and managing nausea. Warm scent. If you like a mix of gentle and robust scents, then warm essential oils are best for you. You can use ginger tuberose, cedarwood, patchouli, and neroli. 3. Choose your blend. What a good perfume needs are a well-blended top, base, and middle note. Now that you know which type of scent you would prefer to achieve, you now decide on what your top, base, and a middle note will be. Here's a list of suggested notes. Top notes: orange, grapefruit, lemon. Base notes: chamomile, vanilla, mint. Middle note: lavender, palmarosa, geranium. 4. Combine and add in essential oils. Combine 3 tablespoons of solvent and 15 milliliters jojoba oil or coconut oil in a ceramic pot. Using a dropper, add 10 drops of top notes, 10 drops of base notes, and 5 drops of the middle note of your choice. Mix the liquid gradually using the stirrer. 5. Transfer to your container of choice. You can use a spray bottle or a rollerball jar. A spray bottle is better if you prefer even distribution of the perfume. On the other hand, a rollerball jar is better if you prefer to apply the perfume in specific areas such as your neck and wrist. 6. Leave unopened for 10 to 12 hours. For the perfume to set, leave it unopened for 10 to 12 hours. Make sure to store it at room temperature and away from direct sunlight. Not doing so can cause your perfume to spoil or smell differently. Tips and tricks. You can adjust the scent of your perfume by adding more of the oil that you prefer to make it stand out. Avoid using a metallic stirrer as it can affect the scent that you are making due to chemical reactions. You have to use a wood or glass stirrer instead. Conclusion. Going organic and using what nature has to offer is so much better. By using essential oils instead of alcohol, you can avoid unwanted side effects. Also, by making it at home, you can also calibrate it based on your preference. That way, no other person will smell like you. Doing this also helps you save because perfumes can retail at a high price. You will also enjoy the process of making it. With the steps stated, you can easily make your perfume without alcohol. All the things you need and ingredients are so accessible. Let us know in the comments how your perfume making went and share your mix of essential oils used to make your scent. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.